This is Desmodium canadense. So I'm going to get in there in a minute and you can see how big this is compared to me. This is a plant that's native to the Northeast US. This plant just grew here. I mean, I saw it and I protected it because the deer will eat this and the rabbits will eat the little ones when it first comes up. But it is beautiful. It's the host plant to eastern tail blue butterflies. And I've had caterpillars on it from them. I see them laying eggs on it. Skipper butterflies. It's in the pea family. It is one of these plants that fixes nitrogen. That means it takes nitrogen from the atmosphere and brings it down into the soil, and eventually it'll be released as fertilizer for the other plants. It's a really beautiful plant. I like it. There used to be a lot of this growing naturally here, and there's hardly any anymore. I think because the deer eat it, honestly. But I have it protected here. I did put deer repellent around it. And it's just spectacular. It gets a lot of bees and butterflies. It's just a wonderful plant, but it's big. So hang on, I'm going to show you how big it is. This thing is a monster, you know, well over 6 foot tall. This is on a hill. It's actually tall because I'm on the top of the hill, probably 7 feet tall. It's loaded with flowers. I can see the leaves are chewed up. Like I said, it's a host plant to several butterflies, moths. Just beautiful. So, put it in the back of your border. You can grow this. It's well behaved. It doesn't spread by seed very much. You know, it doesn't spread by rhizome. Makes a nice big clump. So, I mean, it is a big plant, but it's spectacular. And the bumblebees, everybody loves it. The one issue that I have with it is these flowers will turn into seeds that are like sticky seeds, and they stick all over you, and they're really hard to get off. And that is very annoying. And as you can imagine, makes thousands and thousands of them. So what I do in the fall before the seeds get ripe and get too sticky, I cut them off and I put them on the brush pile so they're still available for the birds to eat in the fall. Got a lot of sparrows here in the fall, white-throated sparrows, white-crowned sparrows, juncos. So there's plenty of food for them there. And then when I'm working in the garden, they don't get stuck all over me, you know. But they're really beautiful. Birds like them, bees like them, the butterflies like them. This is a winner. Just that it's so good.